I didn't post in a very long time, but now I'm going to come up with more videos, challenges, DIYs, and more entertainment videos. So today we are doing another challenge, which is the Guess the Food challenge, and I got a guest over here, my mother.
Hi everyone.
So now we are going to do the Guess the Food challenge. My mother will be blindfolded, and I'm going to give her a few items to taste, and she has to guess what it is. So let's get started. So the first person who is going to be blindfolded is my mother.
Okay.
So we have this thing to be blindfolded.
I think if I take my specs, I'm blindfolded.
Okay, and we also put this. This is like a bag for like a Christmas decoration. Since tomorrow is Christmas, and happy Christmas everyone, and a happy new year. Yep. So now I'm going to feed her my items. So the first item which I'm going to feed her is okay. So I'm going to open this now. Let's see if my mother can guess it or not. And we each have 5 food items. Okay, so this. What is it?
It has unique taste. I know it's totally different than any other chips. So it's banana chips.
Very
Am I
good.
right?
Yes. So my mother got the first point. Now let's move on to the second item. And the second item is going to be. So this is the second item. I'm going to feed her this. So what is it?
This is kind of sweet. Is it like Indian sweet?
Obviously.
I think it's Anushka's favorite one.
Yes, what it is?
It's peda.
Yes, but which peda?
Must be kesar peda.
Yes. Another point for mommy. Mama. So now the third item is this. Now this is famous in India. Not famous, but everybody eats it.
Everybody eats it, not Anushka's favorites must be. I love this one. And it is Lay's, blue Lay's, right? Masala mash.
Yes, Majesty.
I think I'm going to win the game, Anushka.
My turn is also that.
Okay.
I can also win. How do you know? So now, the next thing is so let's feed it to my mother. I'll just open it. Okay, so I'm going to give it on this. Feed it with the spoon now.
What is this?
Guess. Try to guess it.
Again, sweet.
Yes.
It's melting. Mouth.
Yeah, what is it? What is it?
I am not sure what is it.
So is it a
Like
pass?
a sugar?
No, it's not sugar.
Something sugar candy?
It's not a sugar candy. It is sugary, but it is sweet. But we have to tell the name what it is.
I don't know what is it.
Pass?
Yes.
Pass. Okay. So it is a rainbow confeito rainbow vermicelli. Means
Is it sprinkles?
Yes, the rainbow
Wow.
sprinkles.
Ooh, I don't like them.
I like them.
Okay.
Now let's move on to the last item.
Anything else first?
Huh?
How many are there?
Just one more left.
Okay.
So these are. So I got a scissor to open this. So now let's feed it. First let me. So this is how it looks. I'll open it and show it to you again. Okay, it's in bigger pieces. I thought it will be in small square pieces, but okay, no problem. Let's break it. Let's feed it. Let me show it to you again what it is.
Don't tell me it's sweet again.
You have to try it and guess.
My mouth is already sweetie sweet.
Okay, try.
I know what is it.
What is it?
It is dry fruit chicken.
Uh,
Right?
Yes, it's right. It's the dry fruit chicken.
I know.
Do you want to eat the rest?
My papa's favorite. No, I don't want.
Okay, I'll keep it aside for
Can
now.
you give me some of those Lays?
Yes.
It's very sweet now. So I won, right?
Yes. No, you didn't win. You didn't win. You got actually 4 points because she didn't guess the rainbow sprinkles.
Oh.
Even I won.
I'm going to guess this one.
How can you guess this one? You already guessed it.
Again to get one more point.
No, that will not be counted.
Okay,
No.
so can I?
Yes, now you can unfold your blindfold. Now it's my turn to guess all the food items.
Oh, my eyes. Okay, this is my real eyes.
Okay, so I'm going to put it now. Bye bye.
Yippee, it's Anushka's turn now. I'm going to show you what all I'm going to feed her today.
Can you all see me in the camera?
Yes, we can see you. So first thing which I'm going to feed her is this. This is her not very favorite, but she can eat, I think. She likes it.
I know.
Yes.
Wait, let me chew it. I just ate this day before yesterday. It is a
Yes, you have to name them.
tutti frutti cake.
Okay, tutti frutti cake. Yes, she doesn't like much. She likes chocolate one, but that's fine. She gets
And
it.
it's from Britannia.
And the second one which I'm going to feature is this. Let's see whether Anushka knows or not. Shall I?
This is again my father's favorite. The tasty nuts masala.
Yes, you're right. Good. Bravo. Now I am going to feed her this one. Let's see if she can guess it or not. This one I don't like it. I didn't like the taste at all. It's chocolate flavor, but still I didn't like it. Let's see whether Anushka can guess it or not. You want to have a full bite or like,
Little.
or you can taste full? It's your favorite.
No.
No,
This is that Bonvita biscuit.
it's not Bonvita.
You all
You have to
told me
tell the
that.
name. No,
I don't know the name.
I think the game should be like that. One should know the name as well.
Okay, I don't know the name. Pass. What is it?
It's Triptin.
This is also my father's favorite. I know that.
Yeah, he likes it. Okay, so are you ready for the next item?
Wait, let me finish this.
Yeah, you can finish. If you want, you can spit it out.
No.
No. Is it nice to eat? You can have it every day then.
But it doesn't have a sweet taste. It's
I know.
like normal.
Yeah, it's for the diet, you know, like kind of snacks.
Okay, you can feed me the next one.
Okay, the next one, which I'm going to feed her, going to give her is this. Um, I think I used to eat when I was a child. Um, I don't know if she has tasted it or not, but let's see. She can guess or not. I'm 100% sure she's going to pass it.
Ah. Ah. Good.
What's this?
Good.
No guess?
No, wait.
जब हम छोटे होते थे तब हम खाते थे. Obviously, you have not tasted. I know that.
Then that's not becoming.
No, but you know what is it? It is. I got it from in the house itself. It was in the fridge. I can give you the clue.
Yes. Give me one clue.
Yeah,
What is the clue?
it's a candy.
It's something like minty.
Mm,
It is minty.
yeah, but it has a flavor of like kind of.
It tastes like the Colgate toothpaste.
Is it? No.
Yes, for me.
Have you ever tasted pan?
Yes.
So it's that flavor actually. Now
So-
can you guess? Okay, I can give you another hint. We bought these two candles from the food spot. One is Kiss Me and the other one is Pa 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 Pa.
Oh, that one, the green wrapper one. Right?
It's not green wrap. It has green color in it, but it's not completely green.
It's red and green wrapper.
Yes. I think you can pass it, Anushka. You don't know the name of that.
No, but then I want.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, the green and red wrapper is my answer.
Okay.
Count.
So it's basically Pan Pasand.
Yes, because I never saw that name.
You should have seen it was at home and I have eaten so many times in front of you. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Let's move to the other one.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, this is something I prepared at home, and it is like I don't know you can see or not. I'll show like this. This is a sauce, homemade sauce basically, and Anushka have tasted it. I am sure. I think she can guess. Let's see. Are you ready, Anushka? Are you done with that? Or should I wait?
Wait.
Okay, I give you a second. No.
Okay, so now.
Okay, so I'm going to give her the last item, and this is something homemade. Are you ready, Anushka?
Yes.
Okay. Are you done with the pan person?
Yes.
Okay. Why? What happened?
It's little spicy and sweet.
Yeah.
It's the imli chutney.
Okay. Yes, you guessed it right. So you like the imli chutney, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So for what we use this?
Can I
imli
open this?
Yeah, sure.
Ah.
So we use this for Pani puri.
Sometimes we make pani puri at home, so we
or bhel puri, maybe.
so we make the chutneys at home. So now, since we both got 4 points, it's a tie. So there will be a tiebreaker now. So we both have to choose one food item to feed each other again. And if
Okay.
that's also a tie, then another one.
Ah, no.
Yes. So we'll go and bring the food item.
You're going to lose, Anushka. I know that.
Why?
I'm not going to win.
No, I'm gonna win.
Okay.
So let's go and so I'll go and we'll go and get the food item. Okay, so we got our food items now. My mother will be blindfolded now. So Mama, take it.
I can see.
Okay, what is this number?
No, I can.
No, just guess it.
I'm joking.
Guess it.
1.
Okay.
So am I?
Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to feed this.
What are you going to feed?
You have to try and guess it. Take. You have to bite it.
I'll get sweet.
Yes, this my mother doesn't like. Means she likes it, but she doesn't like it that much.
It's not. It's a chocolate.
Yes, it does.
It's not chocolate. Chocolate.
Yes, it's not chocolate. Chocolate. Try to guess what it is.
So sweet. Is it that compound we use for chocolate making and all?
Yes, but which compound it is?
It's white compound.
Yes, what
That's why it's
flavor?
so sweet.
What flavor is it?
I don't know flavor. White chocolate, maybe vanilla. Must be vanilla
Yes,
flavor.
it's vanilla. So this is the white compound vanilla chocolate, which we use to make like frosting or vanilla cakes. So now,
Ooh.
Mama, you can take out your blindfold,
Thank you. Such a relief.
and now you can feed me.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Okay, so yeah, now I'll put the
Now it's Anushka's turn.
Yes, I'll put the blindfold now.
Let's see who is going to win.
Wait,
Ready? Can you see me?
no.
No? Okay, good. Okay, let's move. So I am going to give her this one. We all know what is it. I don't know. Anushka, you know? No?
I don't know
Let's
what I
see.
want.
I couldn't find anything else actually. Ta-da!
Oh, I know this one. This is the crack jack biscuit.
Oh, yes.
This my mother likes.
That's
Whenever,
right.
I go down to buy something, my mother will always say that buy one crack jack biscuit.
Not always.
Not always, but
Yeah,
sometimes.
but I like because it's
Most
sweet and
of the-
salty.
Can I take
So I won the game, right?
it? No.
No.
Wait.
Is it again tie up? No.
Wait, what did I feed you? I forgot. Oh, yes.
She went white chocolate.
Yes, it's again a tie.
No, because no, I think we both won the game.
Okay.
Yes. So that's mother daughter.
So that was it for today's video. I can't see anything.
Yeah, I know. After wearing that one, it's like blurring.
So that was it for today's video. And my mother eats so much sweet things. Now
I
my
know.
mother is going to eat something spicy or
Spicy.
salty.
Maybe tangy.
Yeah. And so that was it for the video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment on my video what do you want me to do in my next video. Bye.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Yes, and we make this also. Ta-da.
This is like a bag. It's like a Santa bag. Yep. So bye.
Bye.